We can write all linear filters as a concatenation of a minimum phase filter with an all-pass filter. So we can see here, this is the frequency response of a filter. We can write, if it's a linear filter, we can write as a concatenation of a minimum phase filter with all-pass filter. So this can be seen from a hypothetical minimum phase system, H-min, which has all its zeros inside the unit circle. So now we can multiply it with an all-pass filter such that its poles coincide with some of the zeros of the minimum phase filter inside the unit circle. These poles and zeros then cancel, and what is left is the zeros of the all-pass filter outside the unit circle at a reverse conjugate position 1 divided by A, if A was the position of the original zero. In this way, we can mirror out zeros from inside the unit circle to the outside. The magnitude response does not change because we used an all-pass, so there's a magnitude 1, for mirroring out the zeros. As a result, we have a system with the same magnitude response, but now with zeros outside the unit circle.